Question number 4, page number 238, chapter Trial Balance. From the given information, prepare a trial balance of Praveen Patel as on 31st March 2016. Now this is the statement where the balance of ledger are disclosed, and now from here we'll carry forward this balance towards our specimen. For the specimen, it's compulsory to give the title that trial balance of Shri Praveen Patel as on the date 31st March 2016. As you can see, the specimen is prepared as per the statement wise. So here we'll start with the first entry, opening stock 7,440. Stock, which is asset, and asset remain on the debit side. So here we write opening stock amount 7,440. Next, wages is the expense related to the goods 4,000, which will remain at the debit side. So wages 4,000. Next is sales 48,000, which will be written on the credit side. Here we write down the sales, but the amount will be written on the credit side, that is 48,000. Repairing 400, again it is an expense. Repairing comes to the debit side with 400. Next is tax 600, again it is an expense. Land and building is an asset. The land and building will remain on the debit side. Next is plant and machinery. $3,000, which will remain on the debit side. Electricity expense amount 920, remain on the debit side. Capital as in liability will move to the credit side with the amount 16,000. Office salary, again it is an expense, will remain at the debit side. Patent, that is asset, remain on the debit side of the trial balance. Bank balance will also remain on the debit side. If it would be bank overdraft, तो वो liability बन जाता, तो move करते हैं हम credit side. So next is bank loan. Now this is the liability, so we'll move on the credit side 1,760. Carriage inward, that is again debit 1,200. Next, purchase of goods will remain on the debit side with the amount 30,000. Carriage outward is again an expense, will remain on the debit side. Debtors remain on debit side with the amount 8,000. Cash balance will remain at the debit side. Loose tools count as an asset, moving to the debit side. Creditors, that is liability, that will move on the credit side. Sundry income, now here we are talking about the income which will move to the credit side with the amount 240. Office furniture, that is 240, it is a set. Goodwill, that is 6,000, will remain on the debit side. Now this is the amount we got at the debit side and credit side. Now we'll make a total of both the side and we'll find out. Here my specimen got tally with the amount 69,200, so it can be said mathematically correct. Moving to the next question, number 5. From the following balance of account, prepare a trial balance of Shri Brij Mohan as on 31st March 2016. In this question, for question number 5, specimen is prepared as per the account format. So moving towards our question, first entry for the opening stock, again we'll move towards our debit side. With the amount 7,000. Next, freehold asset, 15,000. Next is sundry debtor. 6,000. Factory expense 800. Purchase of raw material 7,500. Factory rent, this is also an expense, 700. Discount allowed. Now this discount allowed, remember discount allowed remain on the debit side, while as a discount received comes on the credit side. Next is sundry creditors, which will move to the credit side. $2,000. Next, bad debt reserve. $150. Commission paid, that is expense, 500. Office expense, 750. Traveling expense, 100. Bank balance, 420. Next is loan borrowed, that becomes liability, will move at the credit side, that is 3,000. Net sales comes on the credit side with the amount 33,000. Next, plant and machinery, 4,500. Wages expense comes on the debit side. Carriage inward, 90. Royalty, 100. Carriage outward, 100. Capital comes on the credit side, liability. Discount received, that is 360. Insurance, that is an expense, debit side. Commission received, 1,500. Bad debt, 150. Salary, 1,000. Legal expense, 100. Cash balance, 400. Office rent, 400. That's it. Now we'll make a total of both the side. So here is the total 48,010, and here we got tally, and here it is found as a mathematically correct.